Hi, my name is JD from Motorcycle Republic na. Last time na nandito ako sa show na to, motorismo pa yon. And it's very controversial kung bakit nag-transition na kami from motorismo to Motorcycle Republic. So, last time, nagtutour kami ng buong Pilipinas. Marami kaming mga kasama. And isang taon namin ginawa yon. And based from that, yon, nag-create kami ng buzz sa motorcycle community. Marami kaming memorable moments. Pero as we move, yung mga kasama natin, nag-move on na rin sila. May mga kanya-kanya na rin ginawa. Kilala naman nila kung sino sila. So, yun. Although magkakaibigan pa rin naman, we still get in touch. Pero, I felt na it's time for motorismo to grow. Nung sinimulan ko kasi ang motorismo, marami kaming kasama eh. We were intact. And now, yung iba nawala. Nagkanya-kanya na. Although again, magkakaibigan pa rin naman. Kaya lang, hindi na siya pareho eh. So, yung magic kasi ng motorismo before was a collective effort between people within. Now, it's Motorcycle Republic because yung ginawa namin ni Boss Hans ng Motor Republic, yung presidente namin ng riding club namin, we created something special and magical. Ano yan? Nagawa kami ng grupo na nag-ride talaga. As in 4 to 5, sometimes 6 times a week na ride. Up to date right now, I think ang ride namin almost 180 rides na kami. Can you imagine a community that rides every single week, sometimes more than. Kaya we've gathered all these people right now. Members na ng Motorcycle Republic is around almost 1,000 na. At any given weekend, that's 200 to 300 riders ang nagra-ride. Iba't ibang destinations, iba't ibang ginagawa. Kaya that is something magical. That is something na masasabi ko na nakakatulong talaga sa community. Bakit ko sinabi yan? Dahil ang community natin ngayon, since pandemic kasi nagbumulusok pataas and biglang bumaba. That's just the reality of it. Kaya lahat ng mga, even the motorcycle brands, naghahabol ng benta, naghahabol ng community. And ang tulong naman natin as riders is to make sure that we ride. Kasi pag walang nagra-ride, walang gagamit ng motor, walang magpapaservice, walang bibili ng jacket, diba? Walang napupudpud na motor, walang bibili actually ng motor kung walang nagra-ride. Kaya ang goal ng grupo, ang goal ng Motorcycle Republic is to make sure that we ride every single week and create buzz, help the community push for the motorcycle industry. Yan ang ginagawa natin ngayon. But of course, nandun pa rin yung element ng motorismo. In-embed ko yun sa DNA ng Motorcycle Republic. So now, I have partnered with different schools like Motocamp, like Enduro Factory, like Ride Academy. So meron na tayong street, meron tayong track, meron tayong off-road. Partners natin yan. Now we can bring in more people from different parts of the world to come to the Philippines and ride. Nandun na tayo. Naging more interesting lang yung motorismo part kasi before, when I was looking at it, nung nagtutour kami ng 1 year, sinusubukan namin lahat ng mga destinations. Hindi ko na put into account yung sa different parts of the world. Merong mga off-roaders talaga na gusto nilang makadiscover ng hindi yung mga churches o hindi yung mga destinations na gusto talaga nila yung terrain. Diba? Yun yung mga hinahanap nila. So, kaya nga nagpartner kami with Autoral. Yun yung Enduro Factory. na they already know kung saan part ng Bungabon pwedeng tumaan at meron tayong motor dyan. Ganon. So, ang ginawa namin ng Enduro Factory, meron kaming ginawa na right now, meron tayong track sa Vermosa. Yung dating KTM, finally solidified it. We signed all the necessary documents. So mag-o-open na yan. So ngayon, if you're an off-road enthusiast, you can train there. And then after, you can go ride with us in different parts of destination, different parts of the Philippines. Like for example, yung general na car na yan, off-road yan. Mag-ride tayo doon pang mga basic riders. Para matry mo yung naaral mo naman na skill. Ganon siya kaganda. So, marami nagtatanong kung ano ba yung Motor Republic, tsaka yung ano ba yung Motorcycle Republic. Yung Motor Republic namin is a riding group. Yun yung grupo namin. Yun yung 1,000 members na kami. Na yun yung constantly nagra-ride. Si Motorcycle Republic ngayon is dating motorismo na yan yung nagtutour naman sa Pilipinas pa rin. Same thing as motorismo plus more. Dinagdagan pa natin ng kung ano-ano pang ginagawa ni Motorcycle Republic. Dati kasi sa motorismo, ang gusto ko mangyari is to promote tourism in the Philippines. Yan talaga si motorismo. Now, si Motorcycle Republic naman is not just about promoting tourism. It's about promoting tourism plus the community because the community needs riders. Kailangan mag-ride tayo to sustain yung maraming businesses naman na nagre-rely sa mga riders. Oil, maraming you guys have to look, check this out. Baka tingnan nyo, maraming magsasarang mga moms and pops na motorcycle businesses. Because yung riding community nga, stepping down, especially the big bike community, nagdidip yan may numbers kami. Kaya ngayon, feel ko na kailangan natin tulungan na i-sustain yung community natin. Kaya the community is for us. It's for our camaraderie, and it's for and it's for the Filipino people. Siyempre pag nagra-ride tayo, we spend money in restaurants, hotels pa rin. Ganun pa rin naman yung typical na ng rider. Typical, kumbaga ecosystem ng mga rider yan kakain. So, last na kumakain, ano mangyayari sa ibang restaurants na nagbubukas? Less businesses na yan. So, we wanted to continue. We wanted to make more effort in promoting tourism. We want to put more effort in the rides in the community. So, yun yung number one goal ng Motorcycle Republic. For those people who wants to follow us, si Motorcycle Republic is a TV show in Net25. It's Saturdays, 5 to 6 p.m. We are shooting more contents, and we have our own YouTube channel now, yung Motorcycle Republic as well. And we are promoting different brands para to help the other brands to sustain some of the businesses, and of course, just like All About Wheels, sobrang passionate ni All About Wheels pagdating sa mga riders, and I wanna do that on the level naman ng brands. So yun yung ginagawa natin. Again, my name is JD from Motorcycle Republic, and you are watching All About Wheels Manila.